nights don't get around, but there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta stay.
Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a cleaning video and I'm doing my new kind of weekly cleaning routine that I shared in my previous video, just to see if it helps me stay on top of things a bit better as a busy mom. I'm also working from home and I just feel like sometimes all of these kind of cleaning tasks slip up from under me. So I'm trying this new weekly routine, and on Mondays I do the kitchen, and I set a timer for 30 minutes to do the tasks that are not just like putting dishes away, but things like cleaning the fridge, cleaning the cupboards, things that I don't necessarily do like on a daily basis. So I've got a room for each day of the week, so I'm trying to kind of stay on top of that. And today I'm going to share with you what I do on Tuesday. So today is Tuesday, and I'm going to try to film this week every single day so that I can show you the whole weekly routine, if you know what I mean. So once all of the videos are up, I'm going to link them in the description box so you can see each day and, you know, see how I get on. Maybe I'll do some updates like in a few weeks to share with you how it's been going, but that's what I'm trying so far. So today's Tuesday. Today's going to be bedrooms. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I just stripped the bed, and I forgot to put my timer on, but I'll put it on in a second anyway. So I just stripped the bed, put a load of washing on, because I just wanted to do that quickly in the morning so I could hang them up outside. It's a beautiful day, so it's really sunny, and I'm hoping, you know, they will dry by the time it's evening so I can put fresh sheets back on. I just love that feeling of getting in bed into fresh sheets. They just smell so nice, especially when you've dried them out outside. Yeah, that's what I did. And then I think I'm gonna do, you know, my bed and then my son's bedroom as well, like his sheets as well. I'm gonna do that in turns. So now in the bedroom, I think today I'm just gonna maybe dust the blinds because they kind of need a good dust, to be honest, and just the areas around here, which I'm probably gonna do this every week because obviously that's very much needed. And then I'm gonna do a bit maybe in my wardrobe, and then in my son's bedroom I want to do his wardrobe a bit, just kind of organize it. It's not too bad, but just to kind of see if there's anything that doesn't fit him anymore and just kind of put things away, things like that. Then I'm also gonna do my daily cleaning chores. So yeah, I'm not gonna ramble on forever. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna put my timer on, and just in case you want to know what I do each day of the week. So Mondays I do kitchen clean for 30 minutes. Tuesday I do bedrooms. On Wednesday I do living room. Then Thursday is hallway, stairs, linen cupboard, everything like that. I just kind of combine them into one because I don't really have that much to do in each of those areas. And then on Friday I do bathrooms. That's my weekly kind of cleaning schedule. So yeah, let's go ahead and do the bedrooms today. And go.
Don't get around, but there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie Gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us, gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Okay, so I just paused my timer and that took me a bit over 10 minutes. So I'm quite pleased with that. I feel like I got quite a bit done. I dusted pretty much everything, blinds, surfaces. I sprayed the vanity table and also the mirrors. So now I'm just going to move into my son's bedroom and do pretty much the same thing. I'm gonna make his bed and then go through the wardrobe a bit in his room as well, kind of tidy up in there, and then I think I'll hoover both rooms. And yeah, we'll see how much time I have left after that.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless.
So I just paused the timer. I've got about 10 minutes left, but I just did the drawers. So he's got pajamas here, socks and pants, and then in here he's just got some swimming bits, towel, things like that. And then he's got some extra clothes down there that we've received, like hand-me-downs and things like that, but they don't fit him yet, so I'm just gonna keep them there for now. Now in the 10 minutes that I have left, I'm gonna try to organize these just a tiny bit. It's not too bad, and then I'm gonna dust in here and hoover.
You can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
So I got quite a bit done in here. I still have a bit of time left, so I think I'm actually gonna go with my duster and just quickly dust the skirting boards. So nothing major, just gonna quickly do a once over, and then I'm gonna hoover, and I think it's gonna be my time done for the day.
Did Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along.
Okay, so the upstairs clean is done. That was 30 minutes. I'm feeling pretty pleased with how much I got done. So next week I'm gonna, still dust and hoover, but maybe the tasks, like the wardrobe, I probably won't do that because it won't be needed, but I'll do something else, like maybe go through the toys that Victor has upstairs and see if there's anything that we can get rid of. If there's something he doesn't really play with anymore, maybe we can rotate. So each week I'll try to do something a bit different, maybe tackle my wardrobe, see if I can declutter anything, tackle my drawers, because I know I need to get rid of some things in there. So yeah, just kind of things like that. That's kind of my plan. So that's all done. Now I'm just gonna move downstairs in the living room. I'm gonna show you, got quite a few toys to tidy up. We didn't get a chance to do that this morning, so I'm gonna do that quick. And then I'm also gonna do in the kitchen, I just have a few dishes to tidy from this morning. Excuse the washing machine if you can hear that. And then I'm gonna hang the clothes outside the bed sheets. And yeah, let's go ahead and start with the kitchen actually.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking.
Kitchen is done, so let's go ahead and tidy up some Legos, and then I will be done with my cleaning for this morning.
Oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You come
cleaning done for this morning. I'm quite happy with that. So now that I've done that, I'm just gonna go ahead and start my work while Victor is still at preschool this morning. So I'm gonna do some laptop work for the rest of the morning, but I do hope you guys have enjoyed this cleaning video. And yeah, stay tuned for the other ones in this series. And I hope you guys are having a lovely day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!